Hi everyone, my name is Dill and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, we're going to make a great salad for simple. It's very light, it's very tasty, very easy to make. We are making quinoa salad with peaches. Step 1. Cook the quinoa. I have 1 cup quinoa here. I'm transferring this to my pan here. Getting some salt. I'm using mixed quinoa, so as you can see, I've got some red seeds, some white seeds, some brown seeds. You can use one color, I just like the way it looks. Once it's cooked, all colorful. I'm adding 2 cups of water in here. Putting the heat on, high heat. Once I see it boiling, I'm going to put it on low heat and I'm going to let this simmer until the quinoa is cooked. And while that's cooking, I have a lot of chopping action to do. So what I like to do when making this salad is I like to use a bunch of different greens. It has like different tastes in it. So I'm using some mint, some parsley, some coriander, which I love. It's my favorite green. Some dill I'm going to use, some green onions, 1 avocado, and obviously some peaches. And what happens is like the taste from the greens, the sweetness of the peaches, the onions, quinoa, once everything comes together, it becomes really aromatic and really light. So let's start chopping. Coriander. And as you can see, I'm kind of roughly chopping them. I don't go too crazy, making them like really small. It's enough to roughly chop them for this salad. You want to feel the greens, you want to get their taste, you want to get their aroma. So be easy on the greens and be easy on yourself too. And the water is now boiling. What I'm going to do is, and if you see like a little foams on top, you can take this off and clear these out. Turn the heat on low. I'm going to cover the lid and let this cook and continue to chop. And if you can find these greens from your local farmers, local markets, you're going to really feel the nice smell of them, and that will always make your food better. So try to shop local. And some mint. And when I'm using a lot of greens like this, what I do is when I wake up, I wash them nicely and I'll put a kitchen towel on top of my oven tray and I'll just spread them out nice and even and they'll dry themselves. And what this does is when your greens are dry, when you chop them up, they're not going to go black. So if you realize, if you're trying to chop wet greens, you'll see them lose color. You'll see them once in connection with metal, you'll see them go black and that doesn't look really nice. So wash them ahead, lay them thinly on a tray and it will be much easier for you after. So this is done. I'm getting in the peaches as well. You can use different fruits, however you like. And sometimes what I do is I also add in some pistachios or pine nuts or almonds. So if you do have some nuts on hand, this is a great salad to incorporate them into. So I'll set this aside and we'll make a simple sauce, which is lemon and olive oil. Here's my lemon. Adding some salt. And always add salt before you add the olive oil. It will dissolve much nicer in acid, which in this case is lemon juice. I'm adding some honey. I really like the sweetness that it gives. And you know, like you have salt, you have some lemon juice, you have some honey. When they all come together, it will turn into a really nice taste. And of course, extra virgin olive oil. I don't like it if my salad is dry, so I kind of go heavy on the olive oil, but please do adjust your own liking. And this is a super simple salad that I prepare. You know, sometimes like if I don't have like greens, but I have purslane, I'll make it with purslane. So any type of greens really. You can add in some basil in here if you like. And I'll serve this as a light lunch. I'll serve it with fish, with chicken, with meat. It goes great with anything really. If you want, you can add in some red pepper flakes at this point. I would like to get in some sumac in here, which goes great with peaches. And just keep in mind, like if you're slicing up some peaches, you know, sprinkle some sumac on top of them. Maybe get a burrata on top of them and it will go great. Sumac and peaches to me are a match made in heaven. So this is perfect. Let's see how our quinoa is looking. So this is nearly done. I'll wait about a minute or two and then we'll put everything together. Now getting the quinoa in here. And you know, another great option is bulgur. So if you have some thin bulgur etend, which is very Turkish. What you can do is you can soak it with some water, like you're doing tabbouleh. If you want the recipe, it's up on my YouTube channel. You can find it on the screen. And you can make it with bulgur. It will work great. Getting the sauce on it. Giving everything a nice mix. Smells great currently, especially the coriander is smelling so strong. I truly love it. And let's get this avocado in here too, which is totally optional. I had it in my kitchen, that's why I'm using it up. I feel like this is my last chance to use it. If you have like, a little black spots on your avocado, you can swipe them off with your spoon and use the green parts. I'm going to give you a taste. A bit more salt, but other than that, it's completely delicious. I love peaches. I love summer. I love everything about summer, really. And especially the fruit in summer. I absolutely adore. Please do try this salad. It's so delicious and it's so good for you. If you do try, don't forget to leave your comments down below. You can find the other videos on my channel through this screen, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.